today that is unlike anything we have ever covered here on Rockstar Reviews before. It comes to us from Make a Mom, makeamom.com. It is the Babymaker Home Insemination Device Kit. In an effort, as always, to bring you guys only the best of the best products, I wanted to find out, first of all, what does a home insemination device kit promise to do? 2, does it do that? And 3, what makes the Babymaker from Make a Mom better than the other products on the market? So first of all, what this does is it optimizes your chances of conceiving. It's not a magic bullet. I don't want to overpromise. I don't want to give false hope, especially with something as serious as trying to conceive a child. But this is going to be something that optimizes your chances of getting pregnant. And when it comes to doing that, these home insemination devices really do work, and there's a lot of science to back it up. For example, using a device kit versus having normal intercourse will result in having 3 times the amount of sperm reach your cervix, which is what you want if you're trying to conceive and get pregnant. So there are a lot of success stories from people using these devices. Again, it's not a magic bean, it's not a magic thing, but it's definitely a step that you want to take if you're trying to conceive. And again, it's going to optimize your chances of becoming pregnant. So yes, they do work in that capacity. Now, what makes the Make a Mom system better than the other competitors that you may have seen in the store at CVS or Walgreens? In my opinion, it really comes down to it being made out of medical grade silicone. So you don't have to worry about any weird plastics, no BPA, no toxins, no latex, which is a big one. I know a lot of people have allergies to that. And especially when you're dealing with such a sensitive area of your body, you only want the best of the best, and that's what the Make a Mom system delivers, medical grade silicone. So that's super important, and along with that, this device is actually reusable. So you know, we love reduce, reuse, recycle. This is something that you can use time and time again, and it's very easy to clean. So not only is this already one of the cheapest home insemination device kits on the market, it's something that you can use more than once. So I definitely love their company. I love that they're trying to help mothers conceive, and yeah, it's something that we're gonna go check out. We're gonna talk more about. You guys stick around and we will show you exactly how powerful this is and why it is so effective. When your Babymaker kit arrives, you're gonna find it really easy to put together. You'll take the skinny tube and then you're gonna attach the 2 connectors to it. One is barbed and the other is a twist lock connector. They'll go on either end of the skinny tube, and then the barbed connector will insert directly into the Babymaker. You're going to fill your syringe by pulling the plunger back, and then the syringe is inserted right into the twist lock connector, which is the one that's a little bit wider. You're going to put it in there and then just twist a little bit so they connect. Then you push your plunger and you can see how powerful the Babymaker is. And here's the professional version of that demonstration. So here you can see how the syringe easily unscrews. That makes it so easy for this system to be cleaned time and time again, so you can reuse it over and over again. One of my absolute favorite features. As you can imagine, a product as great as Make a Mom has a lot of fans, and if you are a big fan and if you end up having a great success story with this product, they want to hear about it. So for right now, if you send them an email and send them a vlog of your story, your success using their product, they will reimburse you, give you a full rebate for the price of the product, and they would always love hearing those stories and would love to hear from you. And right now, they are such a great company that they are offering all of our fans free shipping with the code ROCKSTAR. So use that promo code ROCKSTAR when you order. I will put that in the description below. Thank you guys for sticking around to learn all about the Make a Mom Babymaker with me. I know something a little bit different than what we normally do, but I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you've tried one of these before, if you're gonna try the Babymaker, let me know. I always love hearing from you guys. Like, subscribe, notification bell, you know, all that good stuff. I appreciate you so much. Oh, one more note on this. With everything that's going on, I know mail and shipping has been kind of crazy lately, but I will say that this product came to me so fast, like scary fast. So it's not something that of course your mileage may vary, but they have their shipping like down, like whatever system they're using, it's gonna get to you and it's gonna get to you fast. So order with confidence. And it came in a really discreet manila envelope. So if maybe you're not ready to announce to the world that you're trying to conceive, don't worry about it. Make a Mom's got you. It's gonna come super discreet. If that's important to you, they got you covered. So again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight. We will see you again soon with more awesome products. Adios, amigos.
Thanks for shopping with us on Rockstar Reviews, a page dedicated to style, fashion, shopping, and fun.
Like this. $1,000.
Make sure to subscribe for more content, including hauls and reviews. If you're interested in having us review your product, email me directly. There's a link in the description below.